Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to delete or turn off our magnifier shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we have our magnifier shortcut here in our accessibility shortcut button. So we can turn off our magnifier by accessing our shortcut button options magnifier here, or we can go to settings, then accessibility, visibility enhancements, and here we have our magnifier, and we can edit or turn off our shortcut from here. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.